Friends, in today's video, we are going to show you 20 cool and futuristic gadgets that will take your daily setup to the next level. Some gadgets will make your work super easy, while others are so smart that you will be surprised to see them. From mini tech tools to crazy desk setup gadgets, this video has everything. And if you like any of these gadgets, all the Amazon links are provided in the description where you can easily buy them. So let's start the video. This small flashlight can illuminate an entire area in the dark. This mini EDC flashlight offers powerful brightness that is much stronger than a normal torch. Due to its compact size, you can easily carry it in your pocket. The magnetic base and clip design make it perfect for hands-free use. The rechargeable battery provides a long backup time. This isn't just a torch, it's a pocket-sized power light. Opening small electronics will now become super easy. This mini electric screwdriver opens and tightens screws at fast speeds with just the press of a button. Thanks to its compact design, you can carry it in your pocket as well. Multiple precision bits are extremely useful for repairing phones, laptops, and gadgets. Its rechargeable battery runs smoothly for a long time. This is not just a screwdriver. This gadget is a combo of a lamp, speaker, and charger, all three in one. This smart bedside lamp features wireless charging, a Bluetooth speaker, and RGB lighting. Just place your phone and charging starts automatically. With app control, you can easily customize the lights and music. It gives a very premium, futuristic vibe to your room setup. This light bulb floats in the air without any support. This floating lamp uses magnetic levitation technology, causing the bulb to keep spinning in mid-air. The LED light gives it a premium, futuristic look. It instantly grabs attention in any desk or room setup. The light easily turns on and off via touch controls. This isn't just a lamp, it's real-life sci-fi decoration. Now drawing and editing will give you a completely professional feel. This digital drawing tablet comes with a large working area and a pressure-sensitive pen. It makes creating sketches, editing photos, and making animations exceptionally smooth. Custom shortcut keys make your work even faster. It easily connects with phones, laptops, and PCs. This isn't just a tablet, it's your digital creativity machine. This gadget looks just like a simple key from the outside, but an entire toolbox is hidden inside it. This Key-Shaped Multi-Tool offers over 20 tools, including a screwdriver, wrench, bottle opener, and mini blade. The titanium build gives it a very strong and premium feel. Thanks to its compact design, you can easily carry it on your keychain. It is extremely useful for emergency fixes and daily use. This isn't just a key, it's a pocket-sized toolbox. Making labels and stickers will now be super easy. This mini sticker printer connects to your phone to print instantly. Thanks to Inkless thermal technology, it doesn't require any ink. Due to its compact size, you can carry it anywhere. It is very useful for making notes, labels, or fun stickers. While editing, streaming, or doing office work, you won't need to keep pressing shortcuts repeatedly. This smart shortcut dock comes with customizable keys and control knobs, allowing you to instantly control apps and commands. Volume, editing tools, or shortcuts activate with just a single tap. Multiple ports and docking support turn it into a complete productivity setup. It brings a very futuristic and professional feel to your desk setup. This isn't just a dock, it's your smart control center. You won't have to wait for large files to transfer anymore. This portable SSD instantly transfers photos, videos, and games with super fast speed. Thanks to its compact size, you can easily carry it in your pocket. The strong metal body makes it safe and durable. It connects easily with laptops, phones, and consoles. This isn't just storage, it's a pocket-sized speed machine. Connect your entire laptop setup through a single port. This 13-in-1 docking station offers multiple USB ports, HDMI, Ethernet, and charging support. Just connect one cable and your whole workstation is instantly ready. 4K display support and fast data transfer make it even more powerful. It is very useful for office work, gaming, or editing setups. This isn't just a hub, it's a full desk control center. Shooting videos with your phone will now feel completely professional. This magnetic phone grip attaches to the back of your phone to provide a strong and comfortable hold. Thanks to its camera-style handle, shooting becomes much more stable and smooth. The magnetic design lets you attach and remove it instantly. It is very useful for vlogging, photography, or making reels. Now, your keys or wallet will never get lost. This smart Bluetooth tracker connects to your phone and shows real-time location. Just check the app to easily find your lost item. Thanks to its compact design, you can easily attach it to a keychain, bag, or wallet. The low-power battery makes it reliable for a long time. This isn't just a tracker, it's your smart security helper. This fan shows the time along with providing cool air. Just connect it to a laptop or power bank, and along with cool air, a glowing clock will appear. Thanks to the flexible neck, you can easily adjust the angle. It gives a very unique and futuristic look to your desk setup. This isn't just a fan, it's a mini sci-fi gadget. If small screws or keys fall down, there's no need to stress. This magnetic pickup tool extends long to easily retrieve items from hard-to-reach places. The built-in LED light provides clear visibility in dark spots. With the help of the flexible mirror, you can easily inspect hidden areas. It proves to be very useful in garage, car repair, or DIY work. This isn't just a tool, it's a smart fixing gadget. Whether it's a meeting or a lecture, you won't need to write anything down anymore. This AI voice recorder records your voice clearly and saves important points. Due to its compact size, you can easily carry it in your pocket. The noise reduction feature decreases background noise to make the voice even clearer. This isn't just a recorder, it's your smart memory assistant. Such a small speaker, but the sound is surprisingly powerful. This magnetic Bluetooth speaker easily attaches to any metal surface. Thanks to its wireless connection, it instantly connects to your phone to play music. Its compact design makes it perfect for both travel and desk setups. RGB lights and deep sound give it an even cooler feel. This isn't just a speaker, it's a mini sound beast. Opening small gadgets will now become very easy. This precision screwdriver kit comes with multiple bits, making it easy to repair phones, laptops, and electronics. Thanks to the compact case, all tools remain properly organized. Magnetic tips hold screws to help you work faster. It is very useful for DIY work and gadget repairs. This isn't just a toolkit, it's a mini repair station. Do you get constantly distracted while working? This smart Pomodoro timer takes your productivity to the next level. Just set the timer and focus sessions start, helping you complete work much more efficiently. Its compact design and rotating controls make it very fun to use. This isn't just a timer, it's your focus booster gadget. Now your phone, smartwatch, and earbuds will charge simultaneously. This 3-in-1 wireless charging station charges all your gadgets without wires. Just place your devices and charging starts instantly. Fast charging support makes it even more useful for daily use. This lighter lights up with an electric spark rather than fire. This electric arc lighter features windproof plasma technology, allowing you to use it easily even in strong winds. Its long design is very useful for candles and hard-to-reach places. Just press the button and an instant electric arc is ready. Thanks to the rechargeable battery, there is no need to refill gas repeatedly. Well, friends, which of these gadgets did you like the most? Do tell us in the comments. And if you love watching videos of amazing tech and cool gadgets like these, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, all gadget Amazon links will be found in the description.